Welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Today we're gonna start a carbonara series, and the first recipe of the series is gonna be a deep fry burrata stuffed with carbonara cream and crispy guanciale.
Have mercy!
Facciamo. First step, we're gonna need guanciale. No pancetta, no ham, no bacon, guanciale. Take a nice chunk of guanciale and we want to remove the skin. Make sure you have got a sharp knife and literally let the knife do the work. That's the size that you want. And we're gonna slice them again. You wanna start with a completely cold pan with no oil, no fat whatsoever. That is how the guanciale will look. As you can see, that's all the fats released from the guanciale, and we're gonna save that for our carbonara cream. Crispy! Next step, we're gonna prep our carbo crema. What I like to do is open the whole egg in a bowl, pick up the yolk very carefully and separate it from the white. Then we're gonna need some Parmesan, roughly about 200 grams. And now we're gonna go in with the guanciale fat. We're gonna transfer everything into a piping bag. Let's put that in the fridge until it sets. Grab half of the guanciale, chop that a bit smaller. Crispy. Now it's time to stuff our burrata. Scissors, we're gonna cut across at the bottom of the burrata. And very carefully, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of the inside of the burrata. Not too much. Then we're gonna grab our guanciale and very carefully we're gonna squeeze that one in. We're gonna get our carbo crema. Oh cazzo. We're gonna get our carbo crema, slice the piping bag just a little bit, stick that one in, stuff with carbonara cream. Place that in the freezer for about 20 minutes. We're gonna need a mixer and some cornflakes. Place the cornflakes in the mixer. In this kitchen, we don't like waste anything. So we're gonna use the whites and we're gonna season them. And we're gonna use that to pane our burrata. Some Parmigiano, whiskey. That's what we want. After 20 minutes, our burrata will be a bit firmer. We're gonna get our egg white mix, our cornflakes, and very delicate, we're gonna start with the egg wash. Re-put the burrata into the egg mix. Place that back into the freezer for another 20 minutes. While the burrata are still in the freezer, we're gonna get ready our oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Our oil is reached the temperature. Carefully place the burrata into the oil. Let's put in the oven at 230 degrees for about 4 to 5 minutes.
Oh, ma che è? Oh! Ma che stiamo facendo? Ma fa video YouTube? Oh. Gli da muovere, va a te.
È una capata, fra. My friends, after something like that, there is only one thing you need to do. You need to like and subscribe. See you soon.